How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to get rid of a big forehead. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So there are a few tips that I will give you that can help you appear to have a smaller forehead. Let's go over some of them right now. So tip one, this is probably the best tip I can give you and one that you really need to follow, and that is watch what kind of haircut you are rocking. If you have a very short haircut, it will make your forehead look bigger. Generally, it's a good idea for people with big foreheads to grow their hair out a little. That way the hair will be in front of the forehead and cover it up a little bit and make it appear smaller. Trust me on this one, you guys. I've seen people with huge foreheads that don't look as bad because they have their hair grown out. But again, if you try to have a very short haircut, your forehead will show a lot and it will make it appear bigger. I recommend you try out a few different haircut styles until you have found one you really like. Again, a lot of this is experimenting with your hair until you find the right one. Don't stick with the same haircut you have. If you don't like it, if it makes you unhappy, then switch it and try something different. Tip two, wear a hat in certain situations. If you can, I highly recommend wearing a hat or toque. This drastically hides a big forehead. I know in some situations you can't cover your forehead, but if you are outside or if you just in your home and you want to wear a toque or a hat, all the power to you. Again, in most situations, you will be able to do this. In some cases, you may not be able to. Like certain schools, hats and toques aren't allowed. But again, try the haircut out. This should help you out. Last tip is don't stress about it. Chances are the only people who think it's big is you. Chances are other people really don't care. I will put a link in the description box to items that will help you with your forehead, so highly recommend checking them out. End the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.